These hammerhead sharks grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. Hammerhead sharks eat all kinds of prey and even been known to eat other sharks. Stingrays are preferred food for these sharks. There are about 9 different species of hammerhead shark in the oceans. Subscribe for free today.